Attention subscribers, please make sure that you're still subscribed to my channel. I suspect YouTube is deleting my subscribers without their knowledge. There's a sexy looking honey and a 1928 Ford Roadster pickup hot rod. Analyzing lady here, a 1938 Studebaker Coupe custom hot rod. Here's a hot looking honey and a 1948 Plymouth custom coupe. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. There's a sensational beauty. A 1958 Chevrolet Impala with a 409 dual quad and a 4-speed. Woo-wee! A tantalizing lady. A 1998 Nissan R390 GT. Please don't forget to donate. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.